Hi everyone. Today I come to the La Grande residence to pick up my friend. He going to come back to home to Austria, and we going to Clark International Airport. But now I will show to you perimeter road bars. I will walk a little bit and you can see. Maybe some news have because I not been already maybe 1 month maybe. That's why I going to perimeter road bars. You already see how I drive, and now you can see already walking video. It's local people here live. Also here apartment, maybe apartment for rent, I don't know. I will walk here. Another apartments, residence. Andeo. Hi. Another also near perimeter road bars. You can see how much rent. Who interesting can call. His name residence. Portelli. Nice place. Silent. Very good. Also have washing machine. Promo 60 peso. Wash and dry 60 peso. It's good price. Wines and beers also. Another apartment. I think it's better than in the walking street. It's silent. What is this hotel? Hotel Halo Hotel. Hi. Subscriber asking how much massage. Take a look. Promo massage. It's 400 peso only. Red Doors Hotel. What way entrance? Don't know. Here it's a entrance. Red Doors Hotel. Minors not allowed, of course. It's a lobby, swimming pool inside. And this hotel built another apartment. Look, so many. Malabanias, Maloria. Marifa Hotel. I think Mafia. Marifa. Marifa Hotel. Take a look, price. With swimming pool also in front of Petron gas station. Skyline Apartments. He won't go outside. Don't know how to go outside. Okay. Gas, don't have gas. Not easy for him without gas. Oh, another foreigner maybe help to him. Yes, need to. No. Okay, thank you. No, don't have time, sorry. Sorry. Okay. She very want if I go inside. Grey Fox Bar. Before I already take video about Grey Fox Bar. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yes, I already take video of this bar before when you open. That's why later many people come. But I don't have time. I need to go to airport already with my friend. Another bar. C&B bar. Okay. Two bars. This people asking about this is two bars. Thank you. Nifty and Rio, two bars. Thank you. It's near Bumirad Hotel. You can see La Grande Residence in the front. It's very close all here. Today special. Barbecue chicken 395. Okay. It's time now 3:52. I walk only how many kilometers? 1.2 kilometers. Not little bit only. Oh, I like garden. Small garden. This is apartments. Oh, it's nice. Only don't have parking for motor and for car. No parking have here outside. One dream. Education. Also apartment. Foods also. Hi. How much adobo? Interesting adobo. If you have adobo. Adobo don't have? Adobo.
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 I don't have adobo. We have pinakbet, sir.
Okay. Don't have. Only
Already
this.
have,
Already sold out maybe.
Yeah, already
Because popular.
sold out.
I like adobo.
Adobo, yeah. What? Adobo manok or adobo pork?
Chicken.
Oh, chicken.
Chicken adobo.
Chicken manok.
Yeah, my wife cooked to me.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yan.
Also here apartments, so many, take a look. So many apartments. Filmania Apartele. Also apartment for rent. American Legion. Excuse me, how much apartment here? You don't know?
About like 12,500.
About 12,500 about.
12 to 5.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Also here. 12,000 I think is okay. It's good. Also for rent. Office for rent. One laundry. Two laundry. Three laundry. Three laundry. Take a look. Three. If three laundry together, I think many people live here. Foreigner maybe. So many. Barangay Malabanias. This is Malabanias. Okay, so we're going to the street. Also apartment one. Yanchi Homes. Yanchi. And this street, you can look, so many apartments. Tricycle drivers also. Street foods here. Fruits. Not need to go to buy fruits far, all near, very close. Barbecue also. Barbecue, I like barbecue, but not now. I don't like only noisy motor. So noisy. How? Sometimes nighttime, so noisy. Another apartment. Oh, nice. Maybe after 1 year I will come back here. I think we already finished build this apartment or hotel. I think it's hotel. Hi. Right side, garden residence. I don't know where garden residence. Left side, La Grande residence. Swiss villas. Another side, also apartment. What do it, dog? Playing. Dog playing. Election soon in October. Laura store also. Another apartment. This is contact number. Who interested, you can call. This. Mini park. Nice. And security check ID from girls. La Grande Residence. Need to check to security ID. Ah, yes, it's good. This is lobby. Now 4 p.m. 4 p.m. in the Philippines. And we're going to airport right now.
Yes,
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
I'm ready to leave the paradise. Unfortunately,
When you come back again?
in 2-3 months.
2-3 months.
2-3 months I will come back.
So you like Philippines if you come back again after 2-3 months.
Yes, of course. I like the Philippines. That's why I'm coming back here.
My channel only for who like Philippines. Who don't like Philippines need unsubscribe my channel. I think.
But I think that's okay.
Yeah.
The Philippines are good. So
Okay, so let's go.
let's go.
Or you want to more time sit here?
No, I don't need more time.
Okay, let's go to airport.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you like this living here?
Yeah.
You won't come back
I
here?
come back here because I like this place, and even next year I will come for long term. So I will stay here for maybe for 6 months or something because it's a good environment here.
Yeah, very nice place for
Very
live.
nice place.
Thank you. Only parking, not easy to find. But tricycle also have.
I want to say bicycle always here. Bicycle always here, and even a small store, sorry store.
Yeah,
So,
I see fruits, so many fruits, barbecue.
yeah.
Not
You
need
can
to go
have-
to far.
Yes,
It's all
you can
very.
have everything here.
Yeah.
No problem. I bought already in the store something. So if you need something,
But price is good.
price is okay. Yeah.
Okay.
And even the restaurant here is good. Okay, it's more expensive than for the Philippines, you know.
Uh-huh.
I mean, what is usual for the Philippines, but it's okay. It's European food, Filipino food, everything, you know.
No, you not need to go too far. You not need to go to SM. You can eat here.
Yes, sometimes you are tired, you know, so you don't want
Yeah,
to go
yeah.
somewhere. That's why it's good, you know.
So not problem traveling. If you want go to SM, you just take trike. How much you pay for trike?
It depends, but 100 or 150 peso.
About
for
one-
foreigner.
For foreigner.
Filipino, it's like maybe 70 peso, 80 peso. It's double price for
So
foreigner.
100 peso, I think it's good price.
Yes.
I think it's good price. Even you give tips little bit, it's okay, normal.
You know, I let always to go my girlfriend first
Uh-huh.
and ask the price.
Yeah.
So he say 100, of course. Then I join, and then it's cheaper. If I go first, I pay 150 for sure. You know?
So you already know.
Yes.
Okay.
But what I also want to say is they have in-house laundry here,
Mm-hmm.
so it's really cheap. It's only 75 peso per kilo.
75 peso.
Per kilo,
Mm-hmm.
and it's a good laundry. I tried already, and it's really a good
Uh-huh.
a good thing, you know.
Well, take a look. It's tricycle also. Easy to take tricycle.
Very
It's
easy.
good. Uh-huh.
And always here in the corner, they stay always on the corner.
Mhm.
Bicycles.
Because I check laundry here 60 peso, but it's 75. It's the
You know,
same.
it's good in-house laundry, so they pick it up in your room
Yeah.
and they bring it to your room.
It's good. It's
And
good price.
You
Yeah.
can, when you check out, you can pay the,
Okay.
the laundry, so no problem. And it's a good, you know, sometimes the laundry outside it's not so good because for the cleaning, I mean. But here they really clean it good, you know.
Okay.
So no problem.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
You can sit in the front because I'm alone. Shaira today busy.
Perfect. Perfect.
Oh, I forgot to close car before. I forgot before close the car. I walk maybe 1 hour.
Okay.
Yeah, and car is open, but it's okay. Security here.
Okay.
Hi everyone. You already seen your review of my friend Marcus from this is La Grande residence. It's his first time he stay here. Before he only maybe watch my channel. You already know he been with me only first time. It's maybe 4 months ago, and he said he very like this place, location and room. That's why he now first time stay here about maybe 2 weeks. No, 10 days maybe, 10 days he stay here. He won't come back. It's really a nice place. Who don't want every day go to walking street? Who won't go to walking street every day? Maybe it's far for you. But who have already girlfriend, who want to rest, who want to live maybe long time? I think this area, not only this residence, maybe some maybe little bit expensive for someone, but who want to live for long time, Malabanец is nice place because it's not so far from walking street and not so close from walking street, because near walking street, so you know, so many people, someone night time can attack you, you already know. Maybe not safe to go to these dark places, but here I think safety, but also not recommended walk alone. But who live here, so they live not alone, they live with girlfriend, maybe wife, or who prepare for build house or transfer to another province with girlfriend or wife. Same me before I stay in the apartment when I built house in the Philippines, and when I already finished build house, I already transferred to my house already. Thank you for watching. In advance I will go to Clark International Airport.